So last night about 11 o'clock, a buddy of mine sends me a text. He asked me, he said, "Are you going to the fly-in, cruise-in event that they're having?" I said, "What is that? I'd never heard of it." Well, apparently it's airplanes, motorcycles, and cars. That's all I needed to know. Welcome to the vlog. I'm fixing to watch one take off here. Yeah, it's a little windy. Well, that was pretty cool. Now, let's go check out the car show. Well, that was pretty fun. I enjoyed that. Got to see some planes take off, got to see some old cars, some classic cars. Had no idea yesterday at this time that this was even happening, but I'm glad my buddy texted me last night. So, yeah, good day. I decided to stop here at the spring, have a rest, and do the rest of the vlog here, or at least this part of it. It was too crowded and too noisy and stuff down there at the airport. So I had to come to a place that was a little quieter. Most of the planes were leaving, so I came here. Now that that's over, I'm gonna see what I can get into. Maybe I go somewhere where I can fly a little bit too. We'll see. It was starting to look like rain, so I took the bike home. I got in the truck. I was starving, so I made a run out to M's Barbecue. Now last week, I know a bunch of you said that you was upset because you didn't get to watch me eat a barbecue sandwich. Well, I was so hungry when I got there, I ate half of it. But I want you to look at the size of this. That is a jumbo. That is an amazing, amazing barbecue sandwich. Little slaw, whole lot of hot sauce. It ain't good unless you get some of it on you. Delicious. M's Barbecue, check them out. So as soon as I get done eating, I'm gonna go somewhere and fly. Not real sure yet. Yes, I am. When I come back, we'll be there. All right, I'm at a good friend of mine's house out on White Oak. We grew up down here swimming at a place called Big Beach. It is that away. So I'm gonna fly the drone and see if it's still there, because you can't drive to it anymore. So here we go, up in the air. well, this is the end of the vlog. I want to thank Lenny for actually letting me fly here. That was pretty cool. So you know what time it is now. It is time for a scratch off. So let me get over here to the truck, put this drone away, and we'll see if I won. All right, got the drone put away. Now it's time for the scratch off. Yes, I spent $10 on this one. All right, let me set this down, turn the camera around, we'll see what I did. Got a jumbo right there, which means 5 times, and I got a number 37, which there's the winner there. So let's see what they are. $1 and a 5. Oh well, a whole $10. $10 winner. It's a winner. So anyway, if you like this video, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you'll be alerted anytime I post up a new video. So until next week, peace out.